Hi there, everyone, and hope you are doing well. So, if you're in this page, it's very likely that you wanna test my plugin. So, some of the feedback that I have received from people that I contact or people who contact me through Facebook or YouTube, it was that they have to sign up in the site in order to get the plugin. And while that is true, my intention is not to get your email or whatever. So anyway, I just need it because the system required to in order to generate an API key. So in order to solve that issue, because the final goal here is you to install this on your site, test it out, and send me some of the feedback. So in order to solve this, I have created this page, plugin test, from where you can do both things. So you can download the plugin files, and then you can use this generic API key in order to activate the plugin on your site and test it out. So I'm going to show you how this works. I am going to, so first of all, if you're here, it's because you already got the link. If not, just copy paste from here and install it, insert it on your browser. Now I'm gonna click on download the plugin. As you can see, I got the file already. I'm gonna be looking for the site where I want to run this, which in my case is Wire Nomads. And I'm gonna come here, plugins, add new, and I'm gonna upload the file, and I'm just going to upload the file that I just uploaded. Install now, and let's activate plugin, and that's it. We have here a new page, sorry, new menu item from where we need to set the API key in order to um, activate this. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna copy this API key, I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna click update, and it say now it says setting safe, and the subscription status is active, and it's going to be active until December 31st next year. Now, something else that I have worked on is that the most of the controls or the most of the settings are already set on. So this is all what is set by default is already on. So I encourage you to leave it like it is. However, the plugin is not yet working on your site at this point because we need to activate this main switch. And I always encourage my clients to set the spy headers. Now, this is not necessary. While this is not necessary for the plugin to work, it will help on increasing a little bit more your site speed. Now, before setting this up, on this browser here, I'm on Firefox. I'm not logged in, so I'm on this same site. You can see, but I'm not logged in, so I'm going to be testing if the plugin is working here or not. So when the plugin is working, when we are serving a cache file generated by the plugin, so we are going to get some certain amount of information here on the console, which is not now saying it. So here I just run a test, as you can see just a couple of minutes ago, like 4 minutes ago on this site, and we're getting 69 on mobile and 93 on desktop. On another videos, I have stated that these are actually very good results. So the most of the sites, the scores are under below 50 on mobile and below 60 on desktop. Anyway, for the sake of this video, I think this is enough. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say, I'm gonna activate, and I'm gonna set the spy header as well. I'm gonna update, and now I have confirmation that the cache has been activated and this spy header has been set successfully. Okay, now this is not working and it will not generate a cache file for this page because I haven't set this button here to true. So if I set this to true, it will, every time that I visit a page, every time that I'm not logged in and I visit a page, just gonna automatically it's gonna generate a cache file. But I don't want to do that for this example. If you come to pages, for example, you will see that it's a new column with information on your site. Now you come say optimizations. This is generated by the plugin. So I'm gonna be, in my case, I'm gonna be looking for second page of this. because I'm looking for the front page, which is right here, and I'm gonna say, hey, I want to speed up the front page. Now, what this is gonna be doing is gonna be getting the HTML content of so it's actually getting the URL of the home page, it's sending the to my API, and my API is fetching the HTML content of the home page. It's going to be generating an a very optimized um, cache page of that for desktop and mobile. And once it's ready, it's going to send that information back to your site, in this case to my site. And and once the information is there, then we are going to be serving that optimized cache file instead of the WordPress cache file. So instead of jumping into WordPress to dynamically create the HTML, we're going to be um, using that static file, which is not only static file, it's a very well optimized static file. So if I refresh here, now you will see that we have the same content, but now we have information saying that the file, the HTML that we're serving, comes from a cache file. Now you will see there is some, if I do not hover, if I do not hover what the page, right? Now you will see that some stuff hasn't been getting loaded here, and that's part of the optimization. Now when I start hovering and scrolling, now I just load all the external resources that this page needs to get low. Now that translate into very good results on site speed test. So hopefully this video has been um, helpful. I don't want to make it super long, so just want to point out how to um, use this test, how to download it, how to set the API key, and how to optimize a single page in this case. Of course, you can optimize this page, and then if you want to optimize another, just need to press the speed up button. If you want to optimize, or if you want the pages to be optimized has at the same rate as they get visits, then you need to come here and under the cache tab, just activate this option. So I just go back to say page speed and size. As you can see, the scores are 100% on mobile, and why not 100% on desktop. So that's it. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any question, just let me know. Bye for now.